Welcome to SV Union School and Junior College presentation, Standard 10, Subject English, 3.3, Stephen Hawkins.
Children, before starting with the actual lesson, we are going to see in short the information about the Stephen Hawkins, a summary of the whole lesson we can see. Stephen Hawkins, full name Stephen William Hawkins, born on January 8, 1942 in Oxford, England, and died on March 14, 2018 in Cambridge. English theoretical physicist whose theory of exploding black holes drew upon both relativity theory and quantum mechanics. He also worked with space-time singularities. Hawkins studied physics at the University College, Oxford, BA in the year 1962, and Trinity Hall, Cambridge. He completed his PhD in the year 1966. He was elected a research fellow at Cornell and Case College at Cambridge. In the early 1960s, Hawkins contracted amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, an incurable degenerative neuromuscular disease. He continued to work despite the disease's progressively disabling effects. He worked primarily in the field of general relativity and particularly on the physics of black holes. In 1971, he suggested the formation following the Big Bang of numerous objects containing as much as 1 billion tons of mass but occupying only the space of a proton. These objects, called mini black holes, are unique in that their immense mass and gravity require that they will be ruled by the laws of relativity, while their minute size requires that the laws of quantum mechanics apply to them also. In 1974, Hawking proposed that, in accordance with the prediction of quantum theory, black holes emit subatomic particles until they exhaust their energy and finally explode. Hawkins' contributions to physics earned him many exceptional honors. In 1974, the Royal Society elected him as one of the youngest fellows. He became the professor of the gravitational physics at Cambridge in 1977, and in 1979, he was appointed to the Cambridge Lucasian Professorship of Mathematics, a post once held by Isaac Newton. Hawking was made a Commander of the Order of the British Empire, that is CBE, in 1982 and a Companion of Honor in the year 1989. He also received the Copley Medal from the Royal Society in 2006 and US Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2009. In the year 2008, he accepted a visiting research chair at the Perimeter Institute for the Theoretical Physics in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. His publication included The Large-Scale Structure of Space and Time, which was published in the year 1973, co-authored with G.F.R. Ellis, Superspace and Supergravity in the year 1981, The Very Early Universe in the year 1983, the bestsellers A Brief History of Time, From the Big Bang to Black Holes in the year 1988, The Universe in a Nutshell in the year 2001, A Briefer History of Time in the year 2005, and The Grand Design in the year 2010, co-authored with Leonard Malodino. Before proceeding further, first we are going to see this lesson in detail. That is Stephen Hawkins. Stephen Hawkins was born on 8 January 1942. He is an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, author, and director of research at the Center of Theoretical Cosmology within the Cambridge University. Before proceeding further, first we will get well versed with the theoretical physicist. What is the meaning of theoretical physicist? It is a branch of physics that employs mathematical models and abstraction of physical objects and system to rationalize, explain, and predict natural phenomena. So basically what they do is to explain something which has happened in the universe. For that they apply formula, and they also come up with a formula. That is, it is from experimental physicists. They experiment things here, and for that they apply formula. Further, Hawkins was the first to set out the theory of cosmology explained by a union of general theory of relativity and quantum machine. See children, you can see the image of quantum machine here. So what is the definition of cosmology? First we will see that, and then we will proceed with theory of relativity and quantum machine. Children, the meaning of cosmology is, it is a science of origin and nature of universe. Hawkins was the first to set out this theory of cosmology, which he has explained by the union of general theory of relativity and quantum machine. Now let us talk about general relativity. What does it mean? So what does it dominates on, and what gravity dominates on? The general relativity beautifully accounts for the gravity and all the things that it dominates on. Orbiting planets, colliding galaxies, the dynamics of expanding universe as a whole. That's big. All of them are big, and all big things together forms the general relativity. Secondly, we will see what is quantum machine. It handles the other three forces, electromagnetism and two nuclear forces. It is extremely adept at describing what happens when a uranium atom decays or when individual particle of the light hit a solar cell. That's a small atom, a very, very small thing which is called as atom. And then Hawking, for all this works, was being awarded with an honorary fellow of the Royal Society of Arts, that is FRSA, a lifetime member of the Pontifical Academy of Science, and a recipient of the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian award in the US, which is equivalent to a Bharat Ratna award which has been given in our India. This lesson gives us an insight about the great scientist, his life and his work, children. Children, here is the definition of cosmology, the science of origin and development of the universe. That's what famous Stephen Hawking physicist. He was also a famous cosmologist who has tried to discover the origin, the development of the universe, how the universe was being made, as you can see in the image.